Hello everyone, just delay. This is Wangmo. Welcome back to my channel. Due to the COVID-19, I have been working from home for more than 100 days. And today I will finally go to the company to work. Indeed, I will be a little nervous without going away for more than 3 months. Since we can go out, only we should to finish the nucleic acid test every morning. So I will go to the company in the afternoon. And today I will show you the scenery on my way to work in my video, and let's go.
Now I decided to take a taxi to the company. Before, I usually took the bus to work, but now under special circumstances, there is no bus. So recently we can take a taxi, so I can go to the company. Recently, there are a lot of people on the road in Chengguan district, Lhasa, and I can feel the old life. On my way to work, I can see the other side of Potala Palace, and when I saw it, I will have a good mood all day. Now we arrived at Xianzu Island. Turn the corner and go straight to our company. Well, after more than 100 days, I finally came to the company. Our company is located in Xianzu Island in Lhasa, Tibet, near the Lhasa River, which is a very comfortable office environment. Okay, I'll go to work first and I'll show you more in my rest time. Now I'd like to introduce you the Xianzu Island. Xianzu Island is located in the Lhasa River in the south of Lhasa City, Chengguan District, Tibet, and there are several small sandbanks around the east and west. The sunsets are beautiful in summer. In the past, Xianzu Island was a place for many tourists to stay because there are very luxury hotels like Lhasa Hotel, and there are also very good B&B environment. In the morning, visitors can eat very authentic Tibetan meals in the neighborhood, and they can also take a walk by the river in the evening. However, due to the COVID-19, the tourism industry of Xianzu Island has a great impact. Although it is gradually resuming its daily life, it lacks a bit of life. I hope to return to the original and restore the excitement of previous years. Then I can visit the Jiguan Art Center and also can go across the river to watch the live play Princess Wencheng. Now I am off work and ready to go home. Sincerely invite all of you to come to Tibet and see the Xianzu Island by yourself. Okay, it's time to say goodbye to everyone. Bye, just delay.